So in this video, you'll learn how to connect your TikTok account to CapCut. So the first step is to launch CapCut, and then from here, you want to navigate to your profile. And once you're in your profile, you want to tap on the option, tap to sign in. Once you've selected that, you should see login to TikTok, and then just tap on that option as well. And then CapCut should automatically detect that you have TikTok installed, and it will also detect the account that you've used to sign into TikTok. If you have multiple accounts signed into your TikTok, then you might need to choose from the different accounts that you have. But once you've selected your account, you should see this appearing on your screen. Now it's up to you to customize what CapCut will have access to. So things like reading and syncing your TikTok songs, profile engagement, all sorts of things. So once you've customized all of these options, you want to tap on continue and then wait for it to load. And once loaded, you should now see that you've successfully connected your TikTok account. So your TikTok username has now become the username for your CapCut account. So now if you have any templates, any favorite songs that you normally use on TikTok, you'll be able to access them on CapCut. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.